तो जो जो हमने बात किया ऑन कर लो, वही से फिर से स्टार्ट कर
हाँ.
दो. So you remembered your all structures, right?
Yes, sir.
So among of that, I am going to ask a question between all of them. So are you ready
Yes,
for
sir.
that?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
Tell me once, जोर से बोलना है ना?
Yes.
Tell me one incident when you're coming from school. You have to explain that what do you observe on the road.
When I was coming to my school, I was on the way. I saw there was a big accident between two trucks. Police and ambulance will come there. Police remove all the vehicles from the road and clear all the traffic after half an hour.
So did you explain that with your mom that what did you see
Yes.
on the road?
Yes, I explained to the mom. My mom said never come from that way. It comes from the inner way.
Okay. So she tried to stop you not to come from that way.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday I saw you. You were standing in front of government school.
Yes.
Is it true?
Yes. What are you doing that time?
That time I was coming from market, but let me know that what were you doing there?
I was waiting for my grandfather to pick up me.
Oh, so did he come on time?
Yes, he comes from 5 minutes later.
Okay, so were you becoming angry inside that
No,
for
I
a long
don't
time?
become angry. You are stop and standing me, seeing me.
Yeah, I saw you and wanted to talk to you that time, but I saw that you were studying with your grandpa that I didn't disturb you.
Yes.
So in which school do you study?
I study in KPS school.
And for how many years have you been there?
I have been there for 2-3 years.
Oh, so did you make any friend there?
Yes, I make 2-3 friends.
Who is your best friend and why?
Mohan is my best friend because he always talks in our academic studies and he score best rank. And we always do group discussion and group studies. That's the reason Mohan is my best friend.
Okay. So tell me one incident of the school which has happened with you.
Uh, my school incident, my teacher, my teachers do fighting with another teacher. I saw and I go to stop them, but they don't listen me. Then I call my principal to stop them. Then they stop fighting. When
Okay.
principal rebuke them.
Okay, I'm giving you one situation. Suppose you
Yes.
came from your home
Yes,
and
sir.
when you entered in the room, you saw that there is no one in the class.
Yes.
So what will you do that
I when I entered the class, I saw there no one student. I called the teacher and asked teacher why there is no one in the class. Teacher said after half hour I will come. The students will come from 5 minutes late.
time? Okay, you are very genius, sir. Let me give you another task. Suppose this boy who is
Yes.
reading with you, he is
Yes.
very weak in English.
Yes, sir.
So which type of suggestions should you give him?
I gave him to go to learn English from Sunil sir.
And how should he study according to you?
She is studying. He score average rank in the class. He is an average one.
Okay. So do you talk here in English with everyone?
Yes, I talk here in English.
Who is best in English according to you?
You are the best in English.
No, besides me. Not include
Beside
the teachers.
Huh.
I'm talking among the students who is best according to you because for 3 months you have been coming here.
In best in evening match, one student was there whose name Yogesh.
Yogesh. So do you spend your time with him?
Yes, I spent time with him.
How does Yogesh react when you speak English in front of him?
Uh, he always he always speak English in front of me.
Okay. So does he ask you sometimes his doubts that please tell me?
Yes, I always clear his doubt.
Means who's best between both of you?
Uh, we both are best.
Okay. So did it happen sometime that your teacher is admiring you and clapping
Yes.
for you?
Uh, Yogesh is also a good student.
Any functions of the coaching classes that you have took part, and did you announce as a guest?
Yes, I announce.
How will you announce if somebody called on the stage like?
I first I thanks the sir to come in the stage. To I get a chance to come in the stage.
Okay, I would like to listen that sentences. Can you explain?
Yes, I can explain.
Yes, start.
Thank you, sir, for giving me a beautiful chance to present my thoughts on the stage. Then I call Yogesh for a thought.
And how will you welcome the guest? And
I will welcome the guests to say that best evening, and I do handshake with them.
and if you are calling someone on the stage and he is
Yes.
coming, how will you cheer up them?
I will cheer them by best of luck.
Okay, and how will you request to the audience for clapping for them?
I will request audience to big hand for Yogesh
Okay,
like
in which
that.
class do you study?
I study in 7th class.
And when from have you been taken training of spoken class?
I have been taken training for spoken class for 3 months.
Oh, means this is a beautiful. I can see that in 3 months.
Yes,
Okay, nice.
I
talking
do
to you.
hard work in home. That's the
And
reason.
who is he?
He is my brother.
He's your own brother.
Yes,
So does he study well like you?
yes, he studies well like you. But
Doesn't he ask anything at home?
he asks anything. He asks always to me about his doubts.
And do you teach him?
Yes, I always
In
teach
which
him.
class do you study?
I study in 7th class.
Oh, I'm very surprised. Nice talking to you.
Me too.
Okay.